the end of the road. Can't go to Maggie's. This is Rich Bar. This is Rush Creek. It's Russian. This is Woody's. This is the bridge going to Taylorsville from Crescent Mills there. This is Jackson Street in Quincy. There's Slope Bridge, washed out. This is Highway 70 and 89 at Kronberg.
Right outside Grey Eagle, there's a firehouse. There's Highway 70. Quite a river. Right by two rivers.
This is a slide area out by Two Rivers. 2 days later, they're working on it, got it cleaned up really good, but it's still not open yet. This is just down from Rush Creek. The side of Maggie's, there's a door ajar. And this van is amazing.
This is the little river behind Beldentown. You see it did kind of the same thing happened over at Maggie's, Maple Leaf. Once again, this is looking toward Rock Creek Powerhouse.
There's only 2 little bathrooms here. One's completely gone.